What do you want to do? You're gonna be playing golf?
No.
Okay. What's the first thing you're gonna do? Huh? Uh-oh, what's that?
Papa.
Oh, the ball. Pick it up. Pick it up and then put it there. Come on. Pick it. Yeah, pick it up. Yeah, get it. What are you gonna do there? Huh? What are you gonna do there? Come on. Huh? Come on. Hmm. What's out? What's out? Okay. What's out? Okay. Okay. Uh-oh. What did you do now? No. Be careful. Okay, don't bump your head now. You've been bumping your head too many times. Okay? What are you doing now? Huh? Okay. Okay, watch your head. Hmm. Uh-oh. Ooh. What's that? Oh, that's your toy. The basketball. That's a basketball. Your toy. It's in your house. Your dad brought it in your house. Yeah. Oh, don't fall. Yeah, it's in your house.